Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody, bienvenue! Welcome to my French with Mr. Innes YouTube channel. Here you will have so much fun as you explore the French language, French culture, music, sport and food. On my homepage you will find all the latest uploads for fun French learning. We have a 40-day series that covers all the basics of any French curriculum. You can discover all the songs of the day for some hidden musical gems. And if you're up for a challenge, check out this playlist here. We have tons of great things in these videos. You might find some counting. 38, 39, 40. Between 4 and 6, ooh la la, vocab. Les bananes. Les bananes. Les ananas. Les ananas. The great game, Which One's Missing? La Tour Eiffel, Disneyland, l'Arc de Triomphe and le Louvre. Which one's missing? A really exciting, fun French fact of the day. Did you know that lundi is named after the lune? Mardi is named after Mars, mercredi is named after Mercure, and jeudi is named after Jupiter. And finalement, you might find a challenge for the day, which many children have responded to brilliantly with some fantastic pieces of work that they've tweeted with an adult's permission to the hashtag French with Mr. Innes. These videos are perfect if you're a language enthusiast, a teacher looking for lesson starters, a parent seeking home activities, or a child who loves to laugh while learning. If you enjoy my videos, please give them a like and subscribe to my channel. À bientôt! And au revoir!